You already know that Microsoft Copilot is a powerful tool that increases productivity, simplifies tasks, and gives employees time back to focus on the important work. But to achieve the greatest value from Copilot, it must be adopted fully. CDW provides comprehensive training that fosters adoption, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. We build prescriptive learning paths consisting of hands-on, instructor-led training to equip your teams and users with the knowledge and skills they need to fully realize Copilot's benefits.
Training with Copilot helps you work smarter, not harder, transforming everyday tasks into quick wins and saving you valuable time. The more you know, the more efficient you become. When you're trained on Copilot, you can automate all those repetitive tasks and actually win back hours every week. Think about it. Even a few minutes saved each day really adds up. Training is the key to unlocking those time-saving efficiencies consistently. End-user training with Copilot isn't just about learning new features. It's about transforming how we work every day. When you know how to use Copilot, you save time, you automate those boring, repetitive tasks, and you free up resources for what really matters. That's how you work smarter, not harder.
As a Microsoft Training Services partner, our instructors are certified, highly rated, and equipped to deliver Microsoft courses and workshops either virtually or on-site. We have course options for end users' everyday M365 Copilot use cases, as well as the more complex ones your IT, security, and developer teams need. No matter where your teams are in their Copilot learning journey or what level of training you need, CDW has you covered. Leverage the power of adoption. Reach out to your account manager today to learn more about CDW's Microsoft Copilot Training Services.